welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tessie. So today video I'm going to be doing another perfume update. Like from my last perfume update, I said that I'm going for perfume shopping. That, like, as you can see, most of the bottles I showed you guys, I run out most of them, and I wanted to try new perfume. So I got a lot of suggestion from that video. Some people telling me this is my favorite, you should give it a try. That is my favorite, you should give it a try. So I picked out two out of it, and I decided to get this perfume to give them a try. So the two perfume I picked out is this Versace Yellow Diamond and 1,000,000 Lady by Paco Rabanne. I think I got that name. So these are the two perfume I picked up recently, and because I've never tried them before. Yes, I've never ever tried them. So this is why I decided to add them. I still have a little bit of Jack Doll left. Miss Dio, I'm run out of Miss Dio completely, but I wanted to get that, but I couldn't because I decided to try two different fragrance of perfume, which is this Versace and 1,000,000 Lady. Yes, so I'm going to open it here with you guys, and yeah, let's get to it. Okay. So I'm going to go first with the Versace Yellow Diamond Intense. I'm going to go first with it. As you can see, I've never opened it before. This is the first time. Back out, and it comes like this. The pack is beautiful. So I'm getting it out of the pack, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. The perfume is lovely. Even just the pack alone is lovely. Oh my goodness. First, let me try this one, and then we'll go ahead to open the other one. Wow. This is good, guys. This is good. I got it on 90 ml, and it's made in Italy. Wow. Oof. This is absolutely good. This I'm going to add this to one of my favorite perfume. This perfume is over 100 euro. If you're wondering, yes, it's over 100 euro. Oh, this is absolutely good. I love this Versace perfume so much, and look at the bottle. The bottle is so gorgeous. The bottle is so gorgeous. Look at that. It's so beautiful. I love this perfume. This is the first time I'm trying it, and I love it so much. So I'm giving this perfume 95, 90. In fact, I'm giving it 100% thumbs up. The perfume is so it's it's like, oh my, I don't know how to describe it. It's very nice, guys. I advise you to try this perfume. I got this perfume with my money. It's not sponsored video. I'm just telling you my honest review. This perfume is so good. You should give it a try, guys. Yes. So let's move over to the Million Lady. So guys, moving over to the Million Lady. Yes, I've heard a lot of good reviews about this Million Lady, and I remember my cousin had one of it. Yes, my cousin has one of this is one of her best collection. So now I'm taking it off the pack. The bag out, and let's get this open. So the inside is dark. It's nice. It has a beautiful pack, and this is Million Lady. I just got it open now, so let me get the pack aside, and I tried the Versace on my left hand, and I'm going to try this Million Lady on this part of my hand. Oh boy. Oh, this is good, guys. combining the two together is like heavenly. Yes. Yes guys, I followed your suggestion. I went to get this, and I got this one because these days I really don't want to be getting too big perfume, like big one. This one is made in France. 1 Million Lady is made in France, and yeah, this is nice. I got it on 50 mil is what I got this one on. But hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Guys, don't mind that horrible voice, okay? No. You know, I love following suggestions. When somebody asks me, try this one, I love to try new things because I love to have a lot of favorite perfumes on my collections. I love perfume. Yes, I'm one of that lady that love perfume. Yes, so this perfume is going to be one of my favorites. I love it so much. I love it. It's not strong. The fragrance is so light and it's relaxing, and oh my goodness, it smells so amazing guys. I love it. I love this perfume. So yeah, this is the two perfume I'm going to be reviewing for you guys today. Yes, these two perfume is what I have to review to you guys. If I have, because I am a kind of perfume freak, if I have another collection that I'm going to be adding on, I'm still going to show it to you guys. I'll advise, if you are going for perfume shopping, try this perfume. You will not regret it, believe me. When I say you will regret it, I love this perfume. I always give my honest review in things I tried, on things I'm loving. This is my honest, this Versace Million Lady. This is amazing perfume to give as a gift or to have it as one of your favorite perfume. This is so good guys. This is so amazing. You guys should give it a try. So yeah, that is all for this video, for this perfume collection video. Yeah, this is I'm adding this now to my favorite perfume, to my collections, and for now I'll give you guys updates when I added a new one as well. So thank you all for watching, and go for it if you want, if you like it, or if you are thinking of changing any perfume, go for this perfume. Is amazing. You won't regret it guys. You won't regret it a bit. Go for it. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all on my next video. Make sure you subscribe to stay tuned to my other skincare or other things I'm using. And if you have any other thing you want me to be reviewing, the things I'm using for my skin or for my entire collection, wardrobe, lifestyle, let me know and I will do the review, as long as it's a review I can be able to do for you. So I will do it. So guys, thank you all for watching, and go get one for yourself. It's amazing. It's one of this, you should have one of this in your collection as a girl that love perfume like me. Thank you all, and I will see you on my next video. God bless you all. Bye.